For years, strange signals, unexplained electromagnetic pulses, and even missing hikers have been reported around this remote mountain lake. But what we discovered, just below the surface, has left our entire team stunned. Hey guys, we're back. This time, we're at Black Pine Lake, a place surrounded by stories of vanishing wildlife, distorted time, and glowing lights under the water. We've been picking up odd magnetic spikes here for weeks. There's something beneath the lake bed, but every time we try to scan it, our instruments either fail or give us conflicting results. It's like something is interfering with the signal. Last time, we tried submersible sonar. We lost power the second we crossed this line, right about 30 feet offshore. So today, we're doing something different. We've brought in a new vertical sonar rig, mounted to a modified Helikite, a tethered aerial platform that can hover while sending sonar pulses straight down into the water from above. This will help us bypass the distortion from the shoreline and hopefully get a clean read on whatever is under there. All right, let's get this thing in the air. Telemetry is good. Sonar transmitting. We're getting data. Wait, what's that? What are we seeing? There's a void. That's the only way to describe it. At about 57 feet beneath the surface, the sonar signal vanishes as if it's being absorbed. It's not a rock. It's not a cavern. It's just nothing. A spherical region where no echo comes back. Then suddenly, we get hit with a spike, M radiation flooding the sensors. Just like what happened last time. But this time, it's stronger. Guys, all the compasses just spun 360. Every drone just dropped GPS lock. What is going on? We're detecting a frequency at 4.9 gigahertz. We're not transmitting that. Something down there is. That's impossible. We're in the middle of nowhere. Wait, the surface of the lake is bubbling. Movement, south end. The water's churning like something's rising. Do you see that flash? Yes, thermal camera picked it up. A burst of heat to 23 degrees hotter than the lake temperature for just a second. Whatever is down there, it knows we're watching. I don't think we're the ones doing the investigating anymore. Are we detecting advanced technology hidden beneath this lake? A natural anomaly? Or something far more intelligent? The investigation has only just begun.